2018 Toyota Prius equals expert-level effectiveness identification open. The 2018 Toyota Prius is a standout amongst the most fuel-effective autos out and about today, yet you definitely realize that the most well-known form on the streets will oversee 54 miles per gallon city, 50 parkway, 52 consolidated, as indicated by the EPA. That is the slightest proficient variant. Personality U, it's still adequate for a close ideal score on our scale. It procures a 9 out of 10. Choose a Prius Eco, which cuts weight from the other trim levels, and those numbers enhanced to 58/53/56 of a mile per gallon, as per the EPA. Looking for that dark belt in fuel productivity? That'd be the Prius Prime, which packs a greater number of batteries than the Prius and includes a fitting for electron-just activity. It's appraised by the EPA at 55/53/54 of a mile per gallon, yet up to 25 miles of electric just drive and a full energize onto 640 miles with the 2 tanks bested up. That is bladder-busting range, as indicated by us. The execution takes after an indistinguishable rationale from it generally has. A thrifty inline 4 cooperated with batteries for greatest mileage. The aggregate framework yield is just 121 pull, entrusted with rousing in excess of 3,000 pounds of mass. Its transmission, directing, and braking organize productivity, and we're fine with that. The Prius doesn't claim to be whatever else. Pick the Prius Prime and its great module batteries suit up to 25 miles of all-electric driving, far not exactly a Chevy Volt, yet sufficiently likely for urban drives to work. The inside is better this time around for true blue seating for full estimate grown-ups and some bit of solace. The liftback bears more payload limit than typical vehicles, in excess of 27 cubic feet in many cases. The Prius plane ostensibly situates 5, albeit 4 will fit better. The Prius Prime doesn't offer a back seat bump, it's only 4 as it were.